So this is another video of the 328 BMW. I paid $500 for this car. And it's in good shape. Really no dents. As you can see, I got all my shit right here. As you can see, there's the radiator fan. Some more pieces over there. Well, it had no compression on cylinders 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And as you can see, I've taken the heads off. For the simple fact, I wanted to see if any valves were stuck open. It needed a valve job because the valves was burnt. And I didn't know if the head gasket, people riding up and down the road, I didn't know if the head gasket was blown, so I figured I'd go ahead and do the head gasket too. Plus, while I got it apart, I think I'm gonna delete the cats and get me some headers and put on it. I'm gonna these BMWs got a oil filtering but I'm gonna delete that and put an oil catch can. I really wanted to turbo it, but I don't think I'm gonna do the turbo thing. I think I'm gonna hold off until I actually snatch this engine out and put me probably a small block LS, LT, whatever, L something. But a Chevy engine is going in here, by the way. Then she's gonna be right, but I gotta find me a transmission. I can get an LS engine all day at the junkyard, but it's hard to find a manual transmission, and this is a 5-speed, so you know how us Duck boys love 5 speeds. All right, so got my heads back from the machine shop today. Also, I got me some car parts in. Well, I'm deleting my CCV valve on my intake, which is part of the oil system on BMWs. I'm gonna delete that. Got my oil catch can came in today. I went with the black because the car black, you know. Ordered on eBay for a couple bucks. The filter to go on top. Rest of the parts. So I'll be installing that whenever I throw these nice, clean, milled heads in. Got them from the machine shop today. Had them cleaned up real nice.